Hi.
No, he did not just laugh, did he?
Yes. Laugh. Say hi.
Just tell him, say hi.
She will listen to his cackle. 1 minute. No, do not put your fingers in there. Did you see his beak? Yes. I love it. That must mean something now. Look at his, I don't like his talons now. Do you like his talons?
Why does he have a ring on his head?
Oh, just in case if they need to get him.
What's he doing? You know Frank? My cousin Frank used to have birds like that. And they would talk, yes.
Hi.
They would say, asshole. They would, yes, he trained them to say that. Your teeth are horrible, Jake.
Hi.
Hi. Why is he doing that?
Look how that dog tore me up. Yeah, well, that's the problem getting puppies. You guys are always so petrified of puppies. Okay, go, 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 go.
Hi. Hi.
It might not be a talking one, huh?
Probably isn't. Yet.
How's it going? What does that mean?
Sending an SMS.
You can put your hand on
this sleeping cage.
Fly around.
You can't fly.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
You're too close. She needs to back up a little.